Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a few days. I came down with the flu, so I've been laid up in bed for past 3 or 4 days. But anyways, I thought we'd just do a real quick and dirty video here to figure out who won the Bushmaster and the secret giveaway. So I'm gonna go over here and put in the link. We got 29 unique commenters, and then let's see who our winner is. Sean Lowe, if I'm pronouncing that right, and it does say Bushmaster me. So you did win. All right, so Sean, please email me. I'll put the link, or I'll put my email in the description of the video below. It's Andy McKinley at ohiobladehq.com. All right, so email me and let me know what your shipping address is, and I'll get this Bushmaster straight out to you, man. Thanks. Bye.